We are building hundreds of massive projects to literally capture carbon dioxide and bury it deep underground. It's called CCUS, which stands for Carbon Capture, Utilization, and Storage. Think of it like a giant, high-tech cleanup operation for our atmosphere. The first step is capturing the CO2. This usually happens at big industrial sites, like power plants or cement factories, the places that produce a ton of it. Instead of letting that CO2 just float up into the sky, special equipment grabs it right at the source. Once it's captured, the CO2 is compressed into a liquid. Then it gets transported, sometimes through pipelines, on ships, or even trucks. This is where it gets really interesting. It has two main destinations. One is utilization, where the CO2 is used to make other things, like fuels or building materials. The other, bigger destination is storage. This means injecting it deep underground into geological formations, like old, depleted oil and gas reservoirs or salty aquifers. We're basically putting the carbon back where it came from, locking it away for good. So why are we going to all this trouble? Because CCUS is one of the few tools we have to tackle some of the toughest climate problems. It can be bolted onto existing power plants, letting them run cleaner instead of shutting them down immediately. It's a game changer for heavy industries like steel and cement, which have emissions that are incredibly hard to get rid of otherwise. It's also a key way to produce low-carbon hydrogen, which can then power things like trucks and ships. And maybe the wildest part is direct air capture, which are facilities that literally suck CO2 right out of the open air, helping to reverse some of the damage that's already been done. The momentum for this is exploding. Just a few years ago, it was a niche idea. Now there are over 700 projects in development around the world. The United States and Europe are pouring billions of dollars into this. Countries like Japan and Germany are rewriting their laws to make it happen. We're seeing new projects pop up from the Middle East to Asia. In 2023 alone, the announced capacity for capturing CO2 by 2030 jumped by 35%. But here's the catch, and it's a big one. The International Energy Agency says we are still not on track. Even with all this incredible growth and hundreds of new projects, we're only on pace to capture about 40% of the CO2 we need to by 2030 to hit our net zero goals. The announcements are great, but getting these massive projects actually built and running takes years, and not all of them will make it. We are lagging behind, especially in cleaning up industrial sectors. This isn't a magic wand that solves everything, but it's becoming a critical, non-negotiable part of the plan. We're seeing incredible innovation, from new power cycles that use CO2 as a fuel to modular plug-in capture systems. The challenge now is to turn all this momentum and money into actual operating facilities, and to do it much, much faster. It's a global race to scale up one of the biggest infrastructure projects in human history before time runs out.